As a family-owned business, TJ's Auto Repair knows the importance of quality customer service. We offer full-service maintenance and repair for all makes and models. Our talented technicians pay attention to every detail. Equipped with top-quality, up-to-date equipment, we can find problems quickly and provide efficient solutions that get you back on the road. Next time you need quality auto service or maintenance in Clatsop County, contact TJ's Auto Repair to schedule an appointment.